We have a lot of AI tools, but Pictory is the best video creation software that help you to create amazing and stunning videos in fraction of seconds. So let's begin by signing up for Pictory or logging into your account. This brings you to the main dashboard showing the 4 AI video creation methods and a navigation menu at the top. Script to video lets you generate videos from text you enter in. You can copy and paste some text in or type into the script editor. You can choose the scene settings here to auto-highlight keywords, automatically select visuals and create new scenes. Click Proceed to continue. Pictory then lets you select a template and aspect ratio to style the video. Article to video lets you create videos from published blog posts, articles, press releases or other text-based HTML pages. Pictory's AI will then extract key messages and turn the summary into a series of scenes. After that, you can pick a template to style and brand the video along with the screen settings you want. Once the storyboard is created, it's time to add visuals, elements and styling. The Edit Videos using text option is used to edit an existing video. You can add the video from a YouTube link or an audio or video file upload. Pictory will ask for the number of speakers in the video. This helps Pictory's AI make an accurate transcription. Visuals to video lets you generate videos from images and video clips. Add files from your computer, then arrange them into the sequence to create a storyboard. Pictory has lots of AI video editing features that include visuals, elements, audio, text styles. Branding and format visuals add more images, video clips or background pictures into the storyboard from Pictory's library or your own files. Elements add stickers, GIFs or emojis into a storyboard scene. Audio add background music or voiceovers. Text add text to a scene, choosing from headings, subheadings or body text. Styles change the storyboard style from Pictory's templates, your own templates, or a style element. Library branding create the intro scene and outro scene and add a scene logo. Format change the video's aspect ratio and resolutions. So explore this AI tool by clicking link is in description. For more AI tips and tricks, subscribe to our TI Hub channel.